And cheer our spirits by thine advent here, and drive away the shades of night, and pierce the clouds and bring the light. Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel shall come to thee, O Israel. Holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round yon virgin mother and child. Holy infant, so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace. So are the people, winter of life, we tremble in shadows this cold endless night.
I want to show them. Is this fine?
Let's see. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Do you like it?
Yeah.
How's that?
Hi.
You need a stick, I see. Oh, do I have one that's already got a string?
Here, on Christmas Eve? Can you do that? Do you have any cookies at your house? I bet you have some cookies. You leave me a few cookies and some milk and carrots for the reindeer, okay? Do you like candy canes? Good, so why don't you go get a candy cane, okay?
Was baking gingerbread, and she cut a cake into the shape of a little boy. Remember, cakes are today's cookies, and sometimes a cake's a cake. So she made the shape into a little boy, put it in the oven. Presently she went to the oven, and it would be an oven like that one, to see if it was baked. Careful, you're in my light. As soon as the oven door was open, the little gingerbread boy jumped out and began to run away as fast as he could go. The little old woman called her husband, and they both ran after him, but they could not catch him.
But he puts him in the box anyway with all of his other brothers. And when the little boy receives the tin soldier, he's just as brave and just as strong as all the other soldiers in the box. And he puts him in the room, and one day he's playing with his soldiers and he forgets the tin soldier. And the little tin soldier hides behind the other toys so that he can come out and actually see what goes on in the toy room after everyone goes to sleep. So he sneaks out as he comes, and what he sees in the room is a beautiful golden castle.
You're welcome. Abolition, or at least the reduction of alcohol intake. They didn't really worry too much about the beer. They were more interested in getting you to stop the hard liquor. Now, the thing is, when they wanted to get rid of the beer as well, they sort of didn't realize the fact that, well, the beer is what's saving a lot of people's lives, because they hadn't figured out yet that it was the water that was killing people. Because all the dirt and bugs in the water, when they were making beer, they were boiling it and it was killing off the bugs. So you drink beer, you don't get sick. You drink the water, you get sick.
Jingle bells.